The rocks and the beaches in Bandon are unsurpassed. Come and enjoy them very soon. Polaris Street, a wonderful south of Bandon location at the ocean at Bandon by the sea. This lot is an excellent buy at $399. Beautiful new homes in this quiet cul-de-sac location. Fabulous first and second story ocean views. Miles of sandy beaches. Paved street. City water. Geo survey is completed. Enjoy this great neighborhood. New construction is happening all around. And there's a beach access for the neighborhood. The footpath takes you right from the street side and is for this neighborhood only. It's a deeded access. Brings you right down to the beautiful beaches of Bandon by the sea.